is greater among these all fractions? Which one is greater among these all fractions? Okay. Are you getting?
Yes.
Okay. Two upon seven of this one or this one. Which one is greater? Means what? આ બેના compare કરવાના છે. 2 upon 7 of 3 upon 4 means what? 2 upon 7 of 3 upon 4 means 2 upon 7 multiplied by 3 upon
4.
4. Got it? So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So 3 ones are 3, 7 twos are 14. This was the first we got for this, right? Then 3 upon 5 of 5 upon 8. 5 upon 8. Now 5 got cancelled. 3 ones are 3 and 8 ones are 8. So 3 upon 14 and 3 upon 8 are the fractions what we got. Got it? समझे छे? नहीं?
Yes.
Okay. So now we have to compare whether this one is greater or this one is greater. So what will be our next step? Now we have 3 upon 4, 3 upon 14, sorry, and 3 upon 8. Okay. So our job is to take LCM. 2 sevens are 14, 2 fours are 8. Again 2, 7 as it is, 2 twos are. Again 2, 7 as it is, 2 ones are. 7 ones are, ones are. Okay. So LCM is 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8, 8 sevens are 56. What is the LCM we got? LCM is 56. Okay. So 3 upon 14 has to be reached up to 56, right? Girls.
Yes, sir.
So 14 will be multiplied by how much? 7 twos are 14. 14 will be multiplied with 4 to reach up to 56. Okay. So this will be also multiplied by 4. 3 fours are 12 upon 56. Now 8 has to be multiplied by how much to get 56? 8 sevens are. So 3 also will be multiplied by 7. So you will be getting 21 upon 56. Now do we have like fractions? 12 upon 56 and 21 upon 56. Wait a moment. (56) and 21 upon 56. So which one is greater? The greater number will be greater. 21 upon 56 is for whom? It's for 3 upon 8, right? Yes or no? So
Yes.
3 upon
Yes.
14 is smaller than 3 upon 8. Now, actually that 3 upon 8 from we got from which answer? Therefore, 3 upon 5 of 5 upon 8 is greater than 2 upon 7 of 3 upon 4. Yeah, therefore, for the conclusion લખવાનું. Is that clear how to do this sum?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt here?
No, sir.
Okay. Now I want to show you one thing. This was the length way we solved, and that this is the way how we have to solve the answers. But in this case, we got 3 upon 14 and 3 upon 8, right? એક નવી વસ્તુ તમને ખાલી બતાવી દો. What are the two fractions we got after percentage? 3 upon 14 and 3 upon 8. As sir told that we cannot compare, we cannot add, subtract if we have unlike fractions. So this is unlike fractions, right? We convert that to like fractions to know whether which one is greater, which one is smaller. And once we have that like fractions, for example 56, we got 56 as our like fractions to be formed. અહીંયા આપણે આવ્યું 12 and અહીંયા આવ્યું 21. So when we have denominators equal, at that time we are checking the numerators. The greater numerator will be the greater fraction. Yes or no, girls?
Yes.
Well, in the same case, the numerator we have to check. If we have the equal numerators, the smaller number in the denominator will be greater fraction. Understood? When we have denominators equal, as a like fractions, we are checking numerator. જે મોટો નંબર હોય મોટો fraction થાય છે. Yes or no? In the same case, when we have numerators equal like this as 3, 3, we have to check the denominators. The smaller number will be greater number in denominator. સમજાય છે? This 14 will be smaller, 8 will be greater. So 3 upon 8 is the greater fraction. આપણા original answer શું આવ્યો છે? Can you see? समझ पड़े छे गर्ल्स? सर શું કહેવા માંગે છે બચ્ચે લોગ?
Yes.
Any doubt with this? Anybody has any doubt with this, girls?
Answer.
No.
Sir.
પાક્કું ને બચ્ચા પાટી? પાક્કું ને?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Chalo, question number next. Hello, next question, question number 5. Who will read this?
Sir, can I mod this, sir?
Yes, Modesa, please.
Yes, sir. Sally plants 4 saplings in a row in her garden. The distance between two adjacent saplings is 3 by 4 meters. Find the distance between the first and the last sapling.
Okay. So Sally plants 4 saplings in a row in her garden. બરાબર? The distance between two adjacent saplings is 3 upon 4 meter. એટલે 3 upon 4 meter પેલું, બીજું, ત્રીજું and ચોથું. 4 sapling જે પ્લાન્ટ કરે છે એના ડિસ્ટન્સ અહીંયાથી અહીંયા આટલું 3 upon 4. The second one and the third one. Are you getting? Find the distance between the first and the last sapling. This we have to count. સમજ પડી ગઈ girls? શું કરવાનું છે?
ના સર મને ન સમજ પડી.
ન સમજ પડી હોય કાંઈ ન સમજ પડી. Sally plants 4 saplings. Everyone try to understand the question. Sally plants now what she is doing, she is saying that the distance between two adjacent sapling is 3/4 meter. એટલે એક પછી બીજા ઓલાનું distance 3/4 meter છે. See, look here. The gap between these two, 3/4 meter. This two 3/4 meter. This two 3/4 meter. So પેલા ને છેલ્લાનો total કેટલું distance થાય છે? That is what we have to check. સમજ પડી હવે કે ના પડી?
હા સર.
પડી ને?
હા સર પડી.
Okay. So now from this figure we can observe the answer. How we have to solve this? Length of one gap. Each gap is 3/4 meter, right? Therefore, distance between 1 and 4 sapling is 3. There are how many distance? 1, 2, and 3 gaps. So 3 into 3/4. बराबर ने कि नहीं girls? 3 into 3/4. Yes or no? Say yes or no so that I can come to know whether you know the answers or not.
Yes.
3/4 મીટર નો એક એક ગેપ છે. એવા 4 પ્લાન્ટ કર્યા છે. 1 2 3 4. સો વચ્ચેના 3 ગેપ્સ આવશે. So 3 will be multiplied with 3/4 meter. So you will get 9/4 meter, which will be not as the answer because it is an improper fraction. So it will be converted to 2 integer 1/4 meter. Your answer is 2 integer 1/4 meter. Any doubt? Girls, any doubt?
No.
No.
Sure, bachcha party?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, chalo. Next. Question number 6. Chalo, who will read?
Sir, I am Mary Fatima.
Yes, Amiri Fatima, please.
Question 6. Deepika reads the books for 1 and 3/4 hours every day.
How to read that? 1 and 3/4?
1 3/4.
1 3/4 m. કઈ રીતે રીડ થાય બેટા ઈ?
Sir, can I?
Yes.
1 integer 3/4.
Amiri Fatima, please read this again.
Deepika reads a book for 1 integers 3/4 hours every
Okay.
day. She reads the entire book in 6 days. How many hours in all were required by her to read the book?
So Lipika reads a book for 1 integer 3/4 hours per day. She reads the entire book in 6 days, right? How many hours in all we required by her to read the books? Have you all understood the question? Have you all understood the question? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. So our main content is that આખા દિવસમાં એ આટલી કલાક બુક વાંચે છે અને એ એન્ટાયર બુક 6 ડેઝમાં કમ્પ્લીટ કરી. So 6 days she must be reading this much hours every day. Yes or no?
Yes.
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 Okay. So now my point is, number of hours Lipika reads the book per day is 1 integer 3 upon 4, which will be converted to 4 into 1 plus 3 upon 4. So 4 ones are 4 plus 3, 7 upon 4 hours. This is the total hours every day Lipika studies, right? Number of days she read that book is 6. So total number of hours required to her to read the book is 7 upon 4 into 6. So 7 6 are, you can cut if you want right here also. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. So 7 3s are 21 upon 2, which is not proper fraction. So our answer will be 10 integer 1 upon 2. That means 10 and half hours. 10 integer 1 upon 2 means what? 10 and half hours she has taken throughout the week to read, to complete her book. Okay? Any doubt, girls?
No, sir.
Sure?
Yes, sir.
Question number 7 was, I think so, in that only. No. Let me check. Okay, 7 was in that only. Who will read this?
Sir, can I read Insia Fatima?
Yes, Insia Fatima, please.
Question number 7. A car runs 16 kilometers using 1 liter of petrol. How much distance will it cover using 2 3 by 4 liters
કેવી
of
રીતે રીડ
petrol?
થાય? 2 3 by 4 liters એવી રીતે રીડ થાય?
Sir,
How
two
to read that?
integer three,
2 integers 3 by 4.
4.
2 integer 3 upon 4 liters. So a car runs 16 kilometer using 1 liter of petrol. 1 liter petrol માં કાર કેટલું ડિસ્ટન્સ કવર કરતી હતી?
2
16
integer 3 by 4 liter.
એ ઘોંચું, 16 kilometer. 1 liter of petrol, it was covering 16 kilometer. શું ચોંટી પડી? 2 integer 3 upon 4 liter. એ તો ફાઇન્ડ કરવાનું છે આપણે, કેટલા લીટરમાં કેટલો ડિસ્ટન્સ કવર કરે છે. ક્વેશ્ચન તો સમજ. A car runs 16 kilometer using 1 liter of petrol. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
How much distance will it cover when it is used 2 integer 3 upon 4 liter of petrol? That is what we have to check. So, number of kilometers a car can run for per liter of petrol is 16 kilometer. So, quantity of petrol we have is what? 2 integer 3 upon 4, which gives us 11 upon 4 liter. How? 4 will be multiplied with integer and added to numerator upon 4 as it is. Am I right? 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 3, 11 upon 4. Any doubt here?
Yes, sir.
શું doubt છે?
No, sir, doubt nothing.
So number of kilometers a car can run with 11 upon 4 liter of petrol is equal to 11 upon 4 multiplied by 16. 1 liter માં 16 કિલોમીટર ચાલે છે, right? 1 liter માં કેટલા કિલોમીટર ચાલે છે? 16. So 11 upon 4 has to be multiplied with 16. So 4 ones are 4. 4 fours are 16. So 11 into 4 will be 44 kilometers. So it will cover 44 kilometers of distance by using 2 integer 3 upon 4 liter of petrol. Any doubt here?
No, sir, no doubt.
No doubt. For sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Chalo.
Yes, sir, no doubt.
Very good. Now, coming back to question number 8. Provide the number in the box such that 2 upon 3 multiplied by dash, which gives us 10 upon 30. Sorry, yes, 10 upon 30. Come on, girls, it's very easy. Two fives are 10
5.
and 3 tens are 30. 5 upon 10 is the answer. Have you got numerator 2 ને 10 સુધી લઈ જવા કેટલા સાથે મલ્ટીપ્લાય થાય?
5.
5 and
Five.
3 ને 30 સુધી લઈ જવા
10.
5. 10.
5. So if you check out 2 upon 3 multiply by dash fraction to get answer 10 upon 30. So we have to simply write 3 upon 5. Sorry, 5 upon 10. The simplest form of the number obtained in
5.
dash. The simplest form of the number obtained in box is dash. Simplest form is what? Two upon three into 2 upon 3 into, can I say 3 upon 5 to get 10? Sorry, 3 upon 10. Sorry. It was 5 upon 10. Huh? 5 upon 10
Yes.
to get
Yes.
10 upon 30.
Yes.
So the simplest form of the number obtained in this box was 5 upon 10. What we got? So what is the simplest form we got? 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. 1 upon 2 is the fraction we got.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
समझ पड़ी गई क्या ना पड़ी गई?
Yes, sir. Paddy.
Yes, sir.
पड़ी ना?
Ah.
Okay. Chalo. Then now I want to tell you that second, provide the number in the box such that 3 upon 5 to be multiplied by how much to get 24 upon 75? 8 upon 15. 3 eights are 24 and 5 15s are 75.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
समझ पड़ा છે કે નહીં?
પડે છે.
Yes, sir. Paddy.
So what is the simplest form to obtain here? Same as it is. There is no calculation done here. So 8 upon 15 itself is the simplest form. સમજાય છે? 8 and 15 cannot be divided with each other. So simplest form of 8 upon 15 will be same. In the second blank. Anybody has any doubt here?
No.
No, sir. No, sir.
પક્કુ ને બચ્ચા પાટી?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, chalo. We are moving to the next exercise. Exercise 2.4. Question number 1. 12 divided by 3 upon 4. 12 divided by 3 upon 4. So I can write 12 upon 1 here first of all. And 3 upon 4 here.
Yes.
Now we cannot divide. So 12 upon 1 will be as it is. This will be converted as
Bye-bye.
reciprocal. 4 upon 3. Any doubt? And in bracket we have to write here reciprocal. What we have to write?
Reciprocal.
આખું લખવાનું છે સરની જેમ આવી રીતે અધૂરું નથી લખવાનું. 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12.
12.
So answer is what? 4 fours are 16. What is our answer we got?
4 4 is 16.
Any doubt here, girls? આ sum solve થશે ને બધા?
Yes.
કે નહીં થાય?
થશે.
હશે ને?
Yes.
Okay.
Hello.
Yes. Any sum you feel uncomfortable or you are having doubt, please tell me.
No doubt.
Okay, so we are shifting to question number
2.
2.
Sir, can I read this, sir?
Yes, beta, please.
Yes, sir. Question number 2. Find the reciprocal of each of the following fraction. Classify the reciprocals are proper fraction, improper fraction, and whole number.
So what to be done now? શું કરવાનું છે બેટા અત્યારે? Girls,
આપણે આ જે નંબર્સ દીધા છે એમાં રેસિપ્રોકલ ફાઇન્ડ કરવાનું છે અને રેસિપ્રોકલ મળી જાય તો તેને તે રેસિપ્રોકલ પ્રોપર હોવો જોઈએ, ઇમ્પ્રોપર હોવું જોઈએ અને હોલ નંબર હોવું જોઈએ.
classify the reciprocal as a proper fraction, improper, or and the whole numbers. We have to classify that. So 3 upon 7. 3 upon 7 reciprocal શું થાય? 7 upon 3. So what fraction is this? Improper. Therefore it is an improper fraction. 3 upon 7 નું reciprocal શું થશે? 7 upon 3. Reciprocal થાય એટલે fraction simultaneously exchange થઈ જાય. Numerator will go to denominator and denominator will come to numerator. Are you getting?
Yes.
Yes.
Same way, 5 upon 8 will convert to 8 upon 5, which
8
is again
upon 5.
improper. So you will be able to do this with all the things. 9 upon 7, so it will be 7 upon 9, that is proper fraction.
Yes.
5 upon 6 થઈ જશે આનું, that is again proper fraction. 7 upon 12 again proper fraction. 8 upon 1, so 8 upon 1 is what? 8 only, so that is whole number. સમજાણું કે નહીં?
Yes.
1 upon
સમજાણું.
8 is a fraction form, so 8 upon 1 is what?
Whole number.
Whole number. Understood?
Yes.
Yes.
You have any doubt here?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Chalo, next question. Question number 3. Again, find 7 upon 3 divide by 2. Avada ke na avada? 2 upon 1. Now reciprocal.
Reciprocal to 7 upon 3 multiply by 1 upon 2.
અહીંયા બ્રેકેટમાં લખવાનું ભૂલવાનું નહીં. ઓકે, 7 upon 3 એક કે એકબીજા સાથે કટ થાય છે? નથી થતું. So 7 ones are 7, 3 twos are 6. Now check out, is this a proper fraction? No. So it will be what? 6 ones are 6. 1 integer 1 upon 6 will be our answer. How? કેવી રીતે? That we will divide 7 by 6. 6 ones are 6. 1 will be remainder. So 1 integer
1
1
upon 6.
upon 6 as our answer. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So again, આમાં કોઈ ટફ લાગતો સમ હોય તો કયો તો હું કરાવી દઉં.
No, sir.
બધા સમ આવડશે? શ્યોર?
Yes, sir.
Last sum I'll do. Chalo, last sum. 4 integer 3 upon 7. 7 will be multiplied by 4 plus 3 upon 7 as it is. Divide by 7 as it is. So it will be 7 upon 1 here.
Yes.
So 7 fours are 28. 28 plus 3 will be 31 upon 7. Divide by 7 upon 1. Now reciprocal it. Okay. So 31 upon 7 multiplied by 1 upon 7. So 31 ones are 31, 7 sevens are 49. Can we cut each other? No, there is no common table that 31 and 49 can comes in a single table, right? And that is our proper fraction. So there is no need of changing the answer. Any doubt here?
No,
See, this
sir.
is our answer. Can you see here? Because that is proper fraction. 49 marks ni test mathi 31 marks to avi sake, right?
Yes.
Chalo,
sir.
next question. I'm sorry. Wait. Yes. Here we go. Find 2 upon 5 divide by 1 upon 2. The first sum I'm showing you. Same thing, same method, same process. 2 upon 5 reciprocal by 1 upon 2. First step. 2 got cancelled. Our final answer is 1 upon 5. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Any doubt here?
No, sir.
Oh, sorry. Sorry. I forgot to convert this as reciprocal. I changed the sign, but it has to be 2 upon 1. So 2 twos are 4, 5 ones are 5. 4 upon 5 should be the answer, not 1 upon 5. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Anybody has any doubt now?
No, sir.
Sure?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
પાક્કું ને બચ્ચા પાટી?
Yes.
Papu.
Okay, so with the help of this question, we have completed our exercise 2.4 and we are going to continue our exercise 2.5 in our next lecture. Okay, girls?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Chalo, your homework is to complete all the sums right here one time in your rough book and all the sums in your fair book as you are doing regularly.
Okay, sir.
Okay? Chalo, do take care of yourself, take care of your health, everyone, and enjoy your
Bye,
rest of
sir.
the day. Bye bye,
Bye,
Khuda
sir.
Hafiz, everyone.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Please
Happy-
leave the group one by one fast.
Bye, sir. Bye, everyone.
Bye, sir.
Bye, Khuda Hafiz.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, sir. Have a
Boleh mulai kan?